Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 11, 2016. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see that the futures this morning are trading lower by $2.25. It's not a big deal. Right now, the futures are sitting at $20.75 per contract. Markets have moved up pretty nicely this week on extremely light volume, but nonetheless, they have moved higher, and that's really all that matters. So again, we'll see how today plays out. We'll see what the market gives us. But all in all, we have lots of stocks in the news, and the first one I'm going to start off the day with is going to be Disney. Everybody knows Disney Company, and what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at 101.44. It closed at 106.60. This is a pretty good haircut. We will have gap levels for Disney this morning. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So again, Disney levels will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see how that plays out. Right now, there's not much we're going to do with it. But we will look at this. This will be on our radar the entire trading day. And this is a stock that we play very, very often anyway. So again, come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing with Disney today. Next on our radar is going to be Electronic Arts. Stock is trading sharply higher, closed at $64.54. It's now trading at $70.04. This is a nice move higher for Electronic Arts. There will be some resistance around the $71 level, and then much, much higher after that. So keep that on the radar. We'll be looking at that once the opening bell rings. If you are looking to buy Electronic Arts, it's way too high on the charts. You don't want to do it here. If you own it, trail your stop loss immediately. That's the only way you can play this at this moment in the pre-market. All right, let's take a look at Macys. They reported earnings as well. It looks like the stock is trading sharply lower, closed at $36.99. It is now trading at $34.28. Briefly pierced the $34 level. I will have gap levels for Macys this morning. But again, this is another weak equity. This is another big retailer. And this stock is coming under pressure. So we'll see how this plays out. But right now, Macys is getting hit. Let's take a look at Fossil. FOSL is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $26.60. It closed, just get this, the stock closed yesterday at $40.10. So this is a major, major collapse for the stock. There is really nothing that I'm seeing here to get involved in this name. But we will be looking at it once the opening bell rings. You never know. Stocks that go down this sharply do get bounces at some point. But nonetheless, this stock is getting absolutely annihilated to the downside. I believe this is about a 32% decline. So again, Fossil getting hammered today, and it looks like a Fossil right now. Let's take a look at Nuance. NUAN is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at $16.27, closed at $17.21. When I look at this one today, it's kind of in a choppy range. You got to be a little bit careful. I'll have some levels if we do go lower. But again, we got to really break through the lows here that we put in recently back in, I would say, probably in February. So if we break through the February lows, I'll have some levels for us. A level that I'm watching right now would be around $15.35 if we got down there. Right now, we haven't even tested that level in the pre-market. So again, $15.35, I might get interested in it there. So we'll keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Staples. SPLS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting hammered today. It looks like Staples and Office Depot will not be allowed to merge. I think that's kind of silly. Both companies are going down fast. Let them merge. Let them be one. But no, it does not look like that is the choice of the regulators. Regulators have knocked that down. So again, we'll see how that plays out. But right now, Staples is getting hammered to the downside. And again, the news on that is that its merger with Office Depot is being blocked by the Federal Trade Commission. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Office Depot. ODP is the ticker symbol here, and that is trading at 402, closed at 609. So again, this is just an ugly, ugly massacre of a move down for a $6 stock, now a $4 stock. So again, that merger is not being allowed to go through, and that's pretty ugly. We'll look at these. I'm not sure we're going to do much with these two stocks. Let's take a look at Wendy's. Wendy's reported earnings. Stock is trading at $11, closed at $11.18. I don't know if there's much we want to do here. If the stock got down to $10.30, I would be a buyer there for a scalp. So keep that on the radar. I think we get there pretty quickly, and we'll see how that plays out. Next up on my radar is going to be CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar. Stock is having a nice little bounce today. Closed at $15.46, now trading at $15.50. So this is a good move higher for Canadian Solar. I'm going to try to find some resistance points here. Again, I'm not really so sure of how it all will shake out and play out, but right off the bat, if by some chance, and this is a big one, if it got up to $20, that is a short. I could just give you that right off the bat. But we'll see how it plays out. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it tells us anything new. All right, moving forward here, we do have crude oil today. Right now trading at $44.72. That is about 6 cents higher from yesterday's close. Crude oil did bounce up yesterday. Dollar is a little on the weaker side today, so crude is getting a little bit of an uptick. Gold is making a nice move. Gold is up $14.40 to $1,279.20. You just keep seeing gold up, down, up, down, up, down, but the reality of it is it's just building a long-term base, and that could be positive for the future. So, again, gold is up at the moment. Like I said, it is up $14.30, trading right now at $1,279 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. What you'll see here is GLD is trading at 122.03, closed at 120.98. So that's a good little pop there. But again, I don't know if it's got a lot more upside left in it at the moment. It is looking a little bit on the high end of the range. So, again, be a little bit cautious there, but nonetheless, nice little pop. We'll see what today brings. We'll see what this market tells us, and we'll take it, one step at a time. All right, with that being said, everybody, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. You can trade right alongside of us. And again, another good day yesterday. We're going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.